Tonight, you're a busy man watching thunderstorms to our north that may be coming this way.
Yeah, absolutely. This line is going to cross the Red River. Hopefully, as it moves into East Texas, it's going to encounter a little bit more stable air, but it's still warm outside and super humid. So that's enough to maybe keep the storms going just for a little bit. Before we talk about that, though, make sure you have our East Texas storm team out. I mean, we're going to another nighttime event, and this is not going to be like what we've seen in some of the last several storm events here in East Texas, but it's going to get your attention if we have thunderstorms moving in. We'll be here through the overnight to watch on these thunderstorms very, very carefully. Look at the storm reports that we've had in Oklahoma. Mostly hail, wind damage, but we've had a couple of tornado reports, one southeast of Oklahoma City, one also just south and southwest of the Fort Smith, Arkansas area that was right along the Oklahoma and Arkansas border. There are the storms that have been pushing through, and now they are approaching the Red River here as we speak, right along Interstate 35 at this current time. I'll give you a closer look, though, at the radar. We did have a tornado warning southeast of Ada there a bit earlier, but now it's mostly just severe thunderstorm warnings. Wind gusts to 60 miles an hour are definitely possible. We'll be watching these as they cross through and move closer to East Texas. Now, they are only moving southeast at about 25 miles an hour. I've been doing some plots off air, and this may not get in here till after 1 a.m. in the morning for us to see some of the storms, and the severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect for Hopkins County runs until 2 a.m. So we could see an extension of that watch happen in the early morning hours. Of course, we'll be watching for that very carefully. I'll go back to Futurecast in just a moment. Look at how warm it was today. We can't forget about that. Upper 80s for the afternoon. Still breezy tonight with sustained winds 10 to 20 miles an hour, and the air temperatures are in the mid to the upper 70s, and we have a mostly clear sky at this time, so there's a lot of warm and humid air for the storms to work with. Okay, here we go with Futurecast. This is the high resolution model. Our East Texas storm team model just having a difficult time with these thunderstorms for tonight, so we'll go with the higher resolution, updates more hourly for us. There's midnight. Storms have just crossed the Red River, so it may not be till 1, 2, maybe 3 a.m. that we see these thunderstorms move in toward Interstate 30. I think as they continue to move to the southeast, they are on a weakening trend. Even though they may not reach severe limits, they could still be noisy with wind gusts 30 to 50 miles an hour, heavy rain, and of course the lightning and thunder that would get your attention in the overnight. So that's why we're going to watch this very carefully. 5 a.m. most of the storms near Interstate 20. We talked about how most of those would be east of Highway 69 and north of 79. Going to go all the way back to the west now. I think these storms will probably hold themselves together. They're on a weakening trend into tomorrow morning, but I think what you need to know now is that we're going to have some likely thunderstorm chances, likely wet roads for a good portion of East Texas. Cold front in here during the day tomorrow, and we'll have a few more additional scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures tomorrow will be a bit interesting too, anywhere from the 70s, maybe still the mid and the upper 80s in deep East Texas. We'll keep that rain chance more likely in the first half of the day, and then scattered heading into the afternoon on our Tuesday. We'll try to make it to near 80. It's certainly not going to feel as warm. Still, the humidity, though, will remain quite high. I want to focus on Thursday after we get through tonight and tomorrow morning. That's where we have another chance for storms, possibly some severe weather there, and then the heat really takes over as we head toward Mother's Day weekend. Deep East Texas, similar forecast here. I've increased the rain chance for us during the day tomorrow to some thunderstorms, and then we'll watch for Thursday as we could have another round of stronger thunderstorms.
All right.